How to upscale image in Canva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to upscale image in Canva. So let's jump right into this video, and this is actually a great tutorial if you want to upscale your image for social media. You have an image of yourself, maybe image that you would like to use, and you want to use it for social media, for a business, maybe business profile, business card, and the color resolution of that image is very blurry or pixelated, and you can't use it for that reason. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva to upscale image with Canva. So I hope you're gonna find this helpful. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more, and let's jump right into this video. So I have actually 3 examples here. I have this image. Now, as you can see, is not the best quality. This image doesn't have the best quality, so we're gonna have to use the apps in Canva. So what I'm talking about apps here. So Canva has a library of apps. So you see here, search Canvas apps, and I will search here for this app. We need enhancer. So if you didn't know about, yeah, it's pretty cool. Canva has a lot of apps here you can use. So I'm going to click on enhancer, and I'm going to click on open. Now I'm going to select this image, and I'm going to go here. You can also upload an image to enhance the upscale. So we're going to have to upload file. I'm going to upload this file, and then if you have enhanced face, you have faces, make sure you check this button, and let's click on enhance image now. So we're gonna have to wait, not that much, depends on your internet connection. Enhancing your image, sit back as we upscale your image. So this is going to upscale our image, and it's already done. Original image. Here we see here the actually result. When I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna click on add to design because I want to position this close to each other so you can see the difference. So this is the first one, and this is the other one. So as you can see here, they add like some blur. As you can see, some blur they add, which now it doesn't look that bad. Like, it looks good. So it's not bad. We can actually start over even. Add to design. So yeah, it's not bad, it looks good. Now let's try for the second image, this one. So start again, and I'm gonna choose this one. So let's see with this one. Actually, sorry, let me actually check this. So this one, if I zoom in, for the eyes, for actually entire face, the details aren't there. So let's click on add to design, and let's see the result. I'm really curious. Okay, so it actually blurred some parts of here, to be honest. Yeah, actually it blurred the image, kind of, that effect. Now we can also go here and just increase the contrast. Also, you can increase the sharpness if you also want some sharpness. And now looks better. Yeah, so I hope you're gonna have good results with this, maybe even better results than me. So now for the last picture, this one, check enhance image. So let's wait now. Add to design. Okay. So yeah, as I said, it added this blur effect. So let me check this original. Yeah, exactly. Added more blur, also enhanced the quality. I'm not saying it did enhance the quality, it did. And also, if you want some clarity, as I said, you can increase here clarity, not clarity, but sharpness. Just a little bit, and now look. Think it looks better, that's for sure. I'm curious if I try this for an animal. 1 second, I'm gonna import a dog image. Now let's try with this image. Now face actually doesn't matter here. See, it's kind of blurry and not really clear. Can't see the details that much. So let's see now the result for this dog. So yeah, it looks much better, but as I said, it adds like some surface, if that's the right word. You understand what I'm trying to say here, is that instead of it's clarity, there is some, we still have clarity. Compare with this one looks better, I would say. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment section, so please share your thoughts in the comment section. And it looks better, but I said that there's like some, what it's called in English, not sharpness, but less clarity. Not less clarity, it is clarity, but it's just weird, I don't know. So what's going on? So yeah, when you add some changes here, sometimes change the quality, like so. So let's go in, and not in this, and here, sorry, not here, here, and I'm gonna try again. You can add some clarity with editing after, even in Photoshop or even Canva, where you want. But yeah, I think there is some good difference, so I'm happy with the results. As I said, please leave your comments down below. I'm curious to read your thoughts. Now maybe we can add some sharpness, but as you see, if I'm adding something, it changes the quality, and then it messes everything up. But as I said, I'm not amazing satisfied, like incredible technology, but it's good. There is a difference. The clarity is good, is better, and that's all I can say. I would like to hear your thoughts, read your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you all. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.